Hey YouTube, welcome to back. It's Subliminal Cards. I haven't done a opening in a long time because I'm saving up money. So I bought 2 packs. They're the Tachyon Galaxy. They're brand new. They just released today, unless you got the sneak preview, which was last Saturday. So I only got 2. They're expensive. I should have gone to the sneak peek, but I had school, so I got 2. I'm gonna just open one. A card I want to get out of this. I don't really care about the whole set. I don't care about the Elemental Dragons or Drago Sack. I only want the Madolche card. Hoot Cake. Because that card is the best card in the set, in my opinion. So I hate the fact that they put them in these things because they're hard to open. Okay, here's one. Okay, I got a Lightning Dragon Ruler of Drafts, Sonic Warrior, Panther Shark, Abyss Gale of the Muses, Xyz's Revenge, Rank Up Magician's Magic Variance Force, Fire Formation Kiyu, Mermaid Abyss Kea, and Parasect's Stellar Dragon. Okay, last pack, and I'll just show you what Madolche cards I have since it's gonna be a really short video. Damn you, Target, for those packs. Come on, Hoot Cake. Okay. Mega Phantom Beast Delph Ray, Lightning Dragon Ruler of Drafts, Mimic, Legendary Latin Tryon, Battling Boxer Lead Yoke, Fire Formation Kiyu, Mermaid Abyss, and Parasect, and Fire King Avatar. Thank you for watching. I'll do a next new video soon.